Creating your educational plan with degree maps. A degree map, also known as a major map, is a convenient tool for students that suggests courses you need to complete each quarter in order to be on track for graduation and your admission to a major. The purpose of the degree maps is to provide students with a clear, direct path to graduation. In some programs, it may be important to take certain classes early. For instance, students entering fields such as engineering or education may often begin sequences of required courses during their first year. Degree maps are designed to give you a bird's-eye view of each UW Bothell degree and enable comparisons of multiple degree programs, which will help you plan for your coursework more conveniently and effectively to make the most out of your UW Bothell experience. You can find all of the UW Bothell degree maps at My Plan, which is accessed by logging into your MyUW account. To access the mapping tool, on the lower left-hand side of the screen, click on the Find Programs link on the My Plan homepage. On the Find Programs page, select the Bothell campus to access a list of all of the programs and majors available at UW Bothell. As an example, if I were a student curious about pursuing a biology degree, I would be able to access the biology map under the biology program. In the lower right corner, you'll find a link to the degree map. Each degree map shows a 4-year sample plan and the overall graduation requirements for each major. It is intended to provide a framework for you to reference as you create your own individual academic plan. The overall goal is to help you navigate and track your progress toward graduation and get the most out of your undergraduate experience. A degree map is not a contract. Consider it a checklist, a sample plan, or a guided pathway toward completing an on-time degree. At any time, you can schedule an appointment and work with an academic advisor to customize your degree map to meet your individual needs. So what are you waiting for? Plan your educational journey at UW Bothell now.